Now the example number 8. First let's discuss what is given to us in the question. Find the greatest number which divides 56 and 84 exactly. So from this question you should understand what the question is asking. Children, we have done HCF and LCM. So in HCF I have told you to remember the definition of it, and in LCM also I have told you to remember the definition of it. So you should know that what role the HCF plays and what role the LCM plays, what HCF is and what LCM is. So according to the definition of HCF, whatever the greatest number we get, the highest number we get, that highest number should divide, the highest number will divide the two given numbers without leaving any remainder. Means HCF जो होता है, whatever HCF we get, HCF are always divisors and LCM are always डिविडेंड. तो हमेशा डिवाइजर डिवाइड करता है, इट डिवाइड्स, ऑलवेज डिवाइजर डिवाइड्स, एंड डिविडेंड्स आर ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय, दे आर ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड. ठीक है, डिविडेंड आर ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड बाय टू नंबर्स और द लिस्ट ऑफ टू और मोर नंबर्स, एंड डिवाइजर्स आर ऑलवेज डिवाइड्स. तो इसमें ये पूछ रहा है फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विच डिवाइड्स, जो डिवाइड करता है, इट मीन्स डिवाइजर, एंड डिवाइजर इज HCF. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ 56 and 84, and whatever HCF we will get, that will be the answer, and that number will divide 56 and 84 exactly. Let's check it out. So here the numbers are 56 and 84. Now it's totally your choice, nothing is mentioned in it. Either you can use the method of prime factorization or you can use the long division method. So here in your book the successive division method is given, so I will prefer solving with prime factorization. So let's find out the HCF 56 and 84. So let's start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Why I have taken 7? Because 7 is not divisible by 3, 7 is not divisible by 5, and 7 is divisible by 7. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, and again 7 1s are 7. So 56 is equals to 84 is equals to, write down all the numbers, 2 into 2 in 3 times 2 and 1 times 7, and here 2 times 2 and 1 times 3 and 1 times 7. So pairing process. So here 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. So HCF is 28. This is our answer, and you can see in your book also the successive common division method is also showing the same HCF. So you can use any of these methods. I'm explaining you why we have find out the HCF, because HCF is always divisor, and now this 28 is divisor, and these two numbers will act as dividend for it. So if we divide 56 by 28, remainder 0 आएगा. If we divide 84 by 28, remainder will comes out to be 0. So the question says that find out the number which divides, means divisor divides. So it is automatically it is asking for HCF, because HCF are always divisor. So now I hope this question is clear to all of you. If the question says that find out the number which can be divided by. Means can be divided by means we have to divide that number. So in that case we have to find out the dividend. So this would be much more clear to you by solving the next example. So let's go for example number 9.